Sam Asghari gave some intel on when he and Britney Spears will tie the knot, though he admitted that the pop star is calling the shots in the wedding planning. In a new interview, Britney Spears' fiancé Sam Asghari hinted when their wedding may take place. At the Los Angeles red carpet premiere of House of Gucci on November 18, Sam, 27, told Entertainment Tonight that the couple's forthcoming wedding will be happening sooner or later. However, the fitness trainer did admit that as far as the detailed wedding plans go, that's up to Britney, 39. She's wearing the pants now, he said with a smile. Later in the interview, Sam briefly divulged his vision for the upcoming nuptials. "I want the biggest wedding in the world," he said while laughing, before reiterating, "I don't wear the pants. Those pants belong to Britney," whom Sam gave an update on following the termination of the 13-year conservatorship that the singer was under. "She's doing great, I'm great, this is the happiest time of our lives," Sam told ET. "We're just enjoying it." He also revealed that a vacation is coming next for the happy couple. "From here on out, it's amazing. It's heaven," Sam said. Sam and Britney announced their engagement back in September, after over 4 years of dating. The proposal came in the midst of Britney's widely publicized fight for freedom under the controversial conservatorship. On November 12, a judge officially ended Britney's legal arrangement, much to the relief of the couple and Britney's loyal fans that started the #FreeBritney movement. Now that the conservatorship is done, Britney and Sam will surely go full speed ahead in wedding plans. A source recently told Hollywood Life that the pair has already begun to prepare a prenuptial agreement before they exchange vows. "It is a given that Britney gets what she came into this with," our insider exclusively shared. "Sam does not want to take her money. He works for his own and always has. He is in this because he is in love with her, and at the end of the day, he wants nothing more than to see her happy." Brit and Sam first met on the set of the music video for her song Slumber Party, which he appeared in 2016. They then went public with their romance just 3 months later in January 2017. Since then, Sam has been an incredible support system to the global superstar, and she's been so thankful to have him by her side.